March of 2020, something happened into the sports world that has never happened outside of wartime. And that's the Olympics were postponed. And you can imagine how the coaches and the athletes were feeling. They were panicking, like, what are we going to do under this chaos and uncertainty? What's going to happen? We've been training for so long. But 40 athletes in 20 events decided to do something different. They decided to stay consistent. They decided to focus on the who that they wanted to be. They focused on how do I make sure that I create the habits that I want to create. And then in July of 2021, these 40 athletes in 20 events, Carson Wolholm, Sim McLaughlin, Bio Sanju, Jonathan Milan, Kerry Gowler, and those 36 other athletes who stayed consistent were the ones that broke world records that day. Because they realized it was not about if the Olympics were coming back, but when they were coming back and how they wanted to prepare and who they wanted to be. So I know things are happening within the organization. Changes are happening. But do not let your habits, do not let the person that you want to fall off the wayside. And I get it. Sometimes it's going to happen. Sometimes you might fall off for a day, 2 days, but don't let that extend. How do you get back on track?